Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be covering how you create a new project, select the databases for that project, and set your key well. So here we are in the program. There's no project open at the moment, so we'll go File. We're going to say New Petrophysical Calculation, and we're going to give this project a name. So I'm going to call this My New Project. We're going to hit OK. And now we're brought to a fresh project that has no data in it. To select our data, we come here to the database area. If you do not see this, it may be hidden, so just expand it using these arrows. For selecting the databases, only the relevant databases will be shown in each of the selection menus. So we'll start with a well database, then we'll select a log database, and finally we'll select our TOPS database. These are the three databases that are mandatory for working on a petrophysical project. You can see that as I selected these databases, the well list populated itself and the map zoomed to the extents of the data. So I'm going to just rearrange a few windows here to get to how I normally like to look at projects. And we'll also notice that the project has a little asterisk beside it. That's because at present the project is not saved. We can save by going to File and click on Save, or you can also hit Control S. So when we click on a well, this will bring up the parameters, and it will also populate the well log display window. So I'm going to zoom in here to my section of interest. And so now we can see that the project is populated with the logs as well as the tops that we imported. So at this point, once again, I'm going to hit save. And one of the most important things is key well selection. So in the Danomics software, we use a key well to build up a blueprint that will then be applied to the rest of the wells in your project. For a key well, what you want to do is you want to find a well that has a majority of the stratigraphy that you're interested in, a well that has representative data, and a well that has a relatively full data suite. So for this, I'm going to choose the well that I'm sitting on, and you can just come over here and copy the API number. And then over here underneath our database selection area, we click on the little edit icon, and we can paste that API number in. And now we've set our key well. And we can tell this because now it has the key well flag beside it. And if we go to our map window and we zoom in here, if we click away from our key well, we see that our key well now has the special blue icon with the symbol of a key on it. And so all we have to do is click on that icon and it brings us back to our key well. So that's how we populate a project and select our key well. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, always save your work before you exit.